A guide to pet training. Prior to beginning canine training, it is finest that you know your alternatives well. These days you can find many types of pet training, in many different places. These trainings differ in rate and each one them has something different to provide. The first type of pet training is known as young puppy preschool. This is a canine training course implied for young puppies that are about 6 weeks to 5 months old. These puppy preschool classes normally last for no more than 6 to 8 weeks. In these training sessions, your young puppy is essentially taught how to fraternize people and along with other young puppies. Here your pup likewise begins to discover how to sit down, stay at a place, and how to come. The second kind of pet dog training course is meant for the canines that are at least 5 months old. This kind of pet training is known as the standard pet dog training. The period of these classes is normally about 8 to 10 weeks. This is the standard course, where your pet is taught the art of strolling appropriately on a leash, sitting, staying, heeling and coming. The third kind of pet training course is referred to as the intermediate dog training. This dog training aims at teaching the dog mainly the very same things that are taught in the fundamental training course, in a more in-depth kind. Here the dog is trained to remain for a longer span of time, and is also taught to follow the orders provided by other people. The intermediate dog training generally lasts for about 8 to 10 weeks, and is implied for those that are no less than 5 months old. It is vital for the pet dog to have actually completed its standard canine training course, or to be accustomed to the basic commands that might have been taught by the owner. The next kind of training course is called the sophisticated dog training course. Here, as soon as again, the course is rather similar to its previous one, i.e., the intermediate canine training course, except for the fact that this time it is more comprehensive. Here, the canine is taught how to sit even without you in the view. It gradually prepares the dog to take the canine good citizen training course. The canine good citizen training for pets is the last course. This course is strictly indicated for those pet dogs that have actually finished all the previous courses. If the canine is truly well acted, the test is quite difficult and can just be passed. Depending upon whether your canine can pass, the course can last for a number of weeks. Keeping this information in mind, you should be able to decide the canine training course finest matched for your dog. However, you might look for the viewpoint of your regional dog fitness instructors to know more. Many fitness instructors speak with totally free. So now you need to be at least a step better to presenting your canine into a training course. The second type of pet training course is meant for the canines that are at least 5 months old. The third type of dog training course is known as the intermediate canine training. The next type of training course is known as the innovative pet training course. Here, when again, the course is rather similar to its previous one, i.e., the intermediate pet training course, other than for the reality that this time it is more in-depth. Keeping this info in mind, you ought to be able to choose the pet training course best fit for your pet.